Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall learn how to receive partial shipments in Axanta ERP. Now, in businesses, there might be a situation wherein you have made a purchase order of a product of X quantities, but due to some reason the vendor was not able to supply the entire quantity that you have demanded. So, in such situations, we shall see how to receive the partial shipments in Axanta ERP. So, let's start. So, this is a confirmed purchase order that we have already created in the system. So, here as you can see, we are purchasing this 20 quantities of this product and 20 quantities of this product. And as it is a confirmed purchase order, this shipment has also been created. So now let's say after some days you have received the shipment and you see that the vendor has only sent 10 quantities of each product instead of 20 quantities that we have ordered. So now let's see how we can receive the partial shipment. Now in order to receive the shipment, we'll click on this shipment button. Then here we'll click on edit, and here in the done quantities we'll enter 10 as we have only received 10 quantities, and then we'll click on save. Now we shall post this shipment, so we'll click on validate. So on validating the shipment, you will see that the system will ask you whether you want to create a back order or no back order. This means that if your supplier has agreed that he will send you the remaining 10 quantities of each product later on, then you need to click on the back order. So the system will create a shipment of those remaining 10 quantities of each product. But in case where the supplier says that he won't supply the remaining quantities of those products, then you need to click on no back order. So for this tutorial we shall create a back order. So we'll click on create back order. We'll click here. Now if you see, this shipment has been received of 10 quantities where the status is done. Now if we click here, so you can see this 2 shipment has been created, wherein this shipment is from the back order where the status is ready. Now once you receive the remaining 10 quantities of products, so we'll click here, then we'll click on initial demand as we are receiving all the 10 quantities that were demanded, and then you need to click on validate. And as you can see, in the done quantities, automatically 10 quantities would be entered. Now we shall click on validate, and the status has changed to done. So if you see here, both the shipments has been received. This is how you can receive partial shipments in Axanta ERP. Now kindly note, if you see that this purchase order that we created has 2 deliveries. Now if you want that 2 deliveries should have a single vendor bill, so for that you need to just click on these 2 deliveries, then click on this arrow, and here click on create draft invoices. So if you mark this option as true, then these 2 deliveries will be having a single invoice or a vendor bill. And if you untick this group by partner option, then there will be 2 different vendor bills for these 2 deliveries. So for this example, we shall mark this group by partner option as true, and we'll click on this create button. So as you can see, a single vendor bill has been created for these 2 deliveries. So here these are the quantities of these 2 products for the first delivery, and here these 2 are the quantities of these 2 products from the second delivery. And now we shall post this vendor bill. So we'll click on validate, and this vendor bill has been posted and the status has changed to open. So this is how you can create a single invoice of multiple deliveries in Axanta ERP.